Hey, welcome back. By now you've logged yourself into Schoology, and I'm just going to go through the login process in case you happen to not be able to do it. So when we go to Schoology every time, we should log in with our email or username or whatever we used. So I'm going to use that and our password. Remember, it's a secure site, so don't give anybody your password at that point. So it brings us, when we do this, brings us to this particular page here, which right now is blank, and if you go up to the top, they're the courses that we're enrolled in. Okay, so if you were previously enrolled, then you would have this particular course here. If you weren't able to, we would need to join, and that's where it's going to give us the access code, and I'll put the access code on the screen for those of you that weren't able to, that skipped that last video or what have you, or if there's any kind of snafu, that code will be here and we'll be all set. Okay, I'm going to cancel out of here, but you would just type it in and then it's going to get you to this summer math page and you'll be right with us in just a few seconds. I'm canceling out of there. So in this, if you're not familiar with how Schoology works, there on this page, or the materials page, there are assignments, tests, quizzes, files and links, discussions, albums, pages, so you can read all those. This will be where I will put things for you to use. Updates, it's just updates. Grades, attendance, members, and this is where we will have access to, well, I'm listed twice because I'm apparently the king and I'm just myself as a student. So there's that piece. So going into the materials, if we click on the assignment tab, I do have your first assignment, which is called Interesting Information, and it's a survey that I'd like you to complete. If you click on the box, it'll take you to the Google survey, and you can do it. You do need to be able to get to your FWSU email. If you have a problem with that, you can let me know on the site here. So we do have that. I just want to get some information from you. I have files and links, and files and links. I have another link to that Interesting Information survey. I have the math playground, and I have your summer math log. And I'm going to go into in the next video. Actually, by the time you see this, there will be another video. This is where I'll put videos when I do our weekly assignments on this particular page here. If I go back to materials, discussions, I did put a discussion in here, and it's discussions called Would You Rather. And so if you go, it's going to ask you this question, and I would just like you to respond at some point, and I'll give you some more details on that as well. And that's about all I have at this particular moment. So you'll be able to tell what your assignments are, what I would ask you to do, and how to find it just by going to the Schoology page. And that's how we'll communicate. That's what we'll do. Okay. My intention is to keep these videos short, so I'm going to stop after that part, and then the next time you see me, we'll talk about well, the overall course outline and the first steps. They will be on the site. So when you explore it, your files and links page will look a little different, but as I'm recording this now, this is what I have. So you may have, hopefully you'll have more than one assignment, you'll have more than 3 links, but one of the links will be the video called the course outline, and there'll probably be one called first assignments, if that's what I decide to call them. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.